even the most disinterested. A competition organized at the Sawi Center encourages young people to get involved and mad about science.
It started 4 years ago in Egypt. Issue. Every year we have a theme for the competition. Like this year we have the Smart Move theme, which refers to the transportation problems, issues, safety problems with the transportation things. So the kids have two parts of the challenge. The first part, they should address some certain problem related to the theme within their communities. By then they should try to find innovative solutions for this problem. They share with their communities what they have come up with. And by then they come to us in the competition to show us all their efforts during the whole process. The second part of the challenge is they should design their robots to accomplish the missions, getting the highest possible score within the all teams. The competition itself is divided into 4 main categories. We judge the teamwork between all the teams, we judge the robot game, the robot performance, and the presentation for the research projects.
The competition and the activities themselves had a very positive impact on the children's performance, teaching them a lot.
In Egypt we still don't have this long period for the competition. It's here only for 4 years, so we can't tell specifically what they have come up with. But I can tell you that in other countries that this competition runs, mainly the participants of this competition are more likely to join a scientific related career or technology related career. They are more likely to gain scholarships. They are more likely to do postgraduate studies. They are more likely to be involving in their communities and taking positive steps for developing their communities.
It is the sheer fact that such talented individuals from all over come together which make it so very rich.
And this is what's really interesting about the competition. You find children from all perspectives, you find children from all communities. They all work together, they have something to work on all together, and this is amazing for them.
Busaina Hussein put in many hours of time and effort to coordinate the activities and select the participants and encourage them to cooperate and compete.
At the beginning we started to teach them at first some soft skills to let them know how a teamwork must be done, to let them know how to manage to contact with each other, because there is a difference between 16 and 9-year-olds, so they had to know. And of course we always put games inside our sessions because kids get bored so easily. So we get their attention by games, videos, and get them more involved in the process so they can feel how important it is.
And what other workshops and preparations did you need to set up in order to prepare the children to do such an activity?
As I said, we just made them the sessions of the soft skill sessions, like communication skills, teamwork, creative thinking, how to make a research, make them think of a problem and then try to solve it all together. Some games they act as they are the problem and then they try to save themselves out of it. So,
but nothing technical?
No, at the end we started to talk to them about the robotics and the technical and how they could manage to program the robots. At first we started of course with simple tasks like move in straight line and get the box, so that they can learn how to use the sensor, light sensor, sound sensor. They can measure it with the centimeters.
So you could say this was really a personal development exercise, yes?
Of course, it was very educational to them also because it made science for them and physics very fun, because they started to talk about physics, like they know stuff about physics actually, so it's fine.
Shayma Gaweri was one of the winning participants and told us about the prize-stealing project.
We designed a project that make transportations easier for people, and we tried hard to make it able to be made in our country, because we decided that our community will be Cairo. So we started searching and asking people, kids and old people, and know the biggest problems that faces them when going to any place. We created a group on Facebook to know more about this, and we decided that it will be about the crowd, and then we decided to make it another new idea to make a tunnel only for people and bikes, and then the road to be for cars, and then overpass, yeah, to for lorries and big cars and buses. So we'll then we
don't have the same traffic.
and yes, and we divided all the transportations into three equal ratios, so that crowdness will be low, and we decreased the percentage of accidents of people and trucks with the cars and all this stuff. And we also created that the last floor will work with the solar energy, so it will be a clean energy, and we'll use it in lighting the tunnel and the road, and it's more. We have more energy. We'll light the neighbors and all the neighborhood and all the around things, and with this we decreased a lot of things, and we made people like and have the talent to ride bikes, because we here can't ride bikes because it's very dangerous in here. So if we make it in a tunnel, it will be more safe for everybody.
Abdurrahman Hussein then spoke of the inspiration for the project.
We think to ask people. We made a group on the Facebook, and we asked people about the most hard things they face in the road, and to transmit from a place to another place. We found that the most common thing among them was the heavy traffic, the problem of heavy traffic and traffic jams. So we thought to how to make a solution to this problem, and we found this thought because the way exists nowadays. There are many types of cars and transportation methods in the same way: buses, cars, and the traffics. This make traffic jams, many traffic jams. So we thought to distribute it in three layers, and the project, our project, is called Triple Highway.
But the competition was not without challenges.
Most difficult was the time. It was very little, and we wanted to make a lot of things. And in the project,